Hey guys, it's Techie Butta here, and in the previous video I already told you that I have been facing some problems in my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, and the main problem was a manufacturing defect which I faced. As you all know, Samsung has a battery saving option in every smartphone, and as soon as I landed up on a battery saving option in max mode, I found a patch on my smartphone which was actually unusual. As soon as I came to know about the defect, I was not sure that the smartphone has a defect or it's a feature. So I went to the service center, and the service center got it confirmed within a day that the smartphone has a manufacturing defect. And this was not a common problem as it was not faced by many users. But I was the first one to have that kind of problem. So they replaced the smartphone for me immediately on the same day. I guess this was one of the main manufacturing defect that I found in the smartphone while reviewing it. I'll be soon posting the full review of the smartphone, so stay tuned for that. And if you are facing the same problem with the smartphone, then also contact the service center immediately, and they would actually replace the smartphone if there is a manufacturing defect genuinely. So don't hesitate to go and ask the Samsung service center, as they are really helpful there. And if you feel that this video has helped you, or if you like the video, do give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon. I'll be keeping more and more content your way, so I'll see you in the next one.